Any presentations you can create in PowerPoint can be modified to suit different audiences. One of the great things you can do is create what's known as a slide deck. This enables you to have a consistent presentation that you might use, for example, when you're presenting a webinar, like the example here, or perhaps you're regularly presenting a product pitch to clients and you want the slide deck to be consistent. However, there might be times where you have a particular slide that is part of your slide deck, but you don't want to use it when presenting to a particular client. So what you can do is, rather than delete the slide, in which case it's totally removed from the presentation, or in fact do a save as to create another presentation without the slide that you don't want, you can easily hide a slide. The beauty of this is it means that later on, when you want to bring that slide back for another presentation, it's easy to do and you don't have to recreate anything. So let's have a quick look at how we go about doing this. So you can do it from a variety of views, such as the main normal view down here, or you could also do it through the slide sorter view down the bottom. I'm going to do it from the normal view here. Okay, so let's say I want to hide this particular slide. All I need to do here is right click on the slide and choose hide slide. Now, what you'll see here on the left hand side is just a tiny little line through the number 3. That tells you that that particular slide is hidden. When you actually go to do the presentation, it'll skip it. So let's just take a quick look. I'll click on the first slide and let's just do a quick look. Overview. We go through our overview features, webinar basics. So it's skipped over that, which is perfect. Now I can easily hide multiple slides by just clicking on the slides, holding down the control key on the keyboard, clicking on other slides, and you'll notice they've got a little red border around them. Right click and you can choose hide slide. Now the option is a toggle option, so at any point in time, if I want to unhide this slide, all I need to do is right click on it and I can from here choose to unhide the slide, and there it is, back to normal. So that's how you can hide slides when you have a slide deck that you want to keep general, but there's certain slides you don't want in a particular presentation.